What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to give your Windows 11 a clean and sleek desktop look. This is a minimal setup, so we're going to make things look simple and easy. One of the first things you might want to do is to change your wallpaper. Now if you have a complicated wallpaper, you can simply go over to your settings, click on settings, then click on personalization, then select background, and instead of having a slideshow, you can simply have a solid color. Click on solid color and you can choose black. Now this is automatically selected black, but of course you could choose other colors. We're going to go with black, click on the X, and now our desktop is not having a wallpaper, and this makes it more minimalistic. Another thing we could do is to go over to our taskbar and reduce the number of applications displayed at the bottom. Now of course some are opened and some are not. That means that they are pinned already. So we could go ahead and unpin some of these apps and leave only the essential ones. So after going through them, right click, select unpin, and then you see that we now have a reduced number of applications and it's looking neater. Now after this is done, we could go over to our desktop. Of course you're seeing some apps that are scattered about. In your case there might be much more. We could right click on our desktop, go over to view, and here we can see show desktop icons. Now currently the show desktop icons is ticked, and that's why you can see desktop icons. If you click on show desktop icons to deactivate this, everything will disappear. Of course, if you want to have your desktop icons shown, but you want them to be more arranged, you can go over to auto arrange icons and they will be arranged to look better. But of course, if you don't want that to be, you can go over to show desktop icons in order for this to be ticked off, and your apps will disappear from your desktop. The last tip is to make your taskbar look slick. In order to do this, we will be downloading the Translucent TB from the Microsoft Store. So after opening up your Microsoft Store, you're going to search for Translucent TB. Of course, in our case, we've already downloaded it. So we're going to click open, going to click on continue. And after selecting it, you might not really see a difference. So let's go again and change the wallpaper so you can see a difference. So let's go ahead and change our background. So we're going to choose what we had before, minimize. And right here, you can see that there is no difference between your taskbar and our desktop. So with our taskbar now invisible, you can see that our Windows is looking more minimalistic and looking cleaner than before.